So I ran into an issue recently with Rough Animator version 2.07, which is right now the current version of the software, where it crashes when I try and merge layers. And to me, this is a pretty big bug and almost makes it so that I can't use the software. So I'm going to show you exactly what happens in today's episode of the Expat Animator. So let's go ahead and launch Rough Animator, and I'll create a new project, and I'll show you real quick here. If I create a second layer, so now I've got a layer on top of a layer, and I go to merge down, as soon as I click this, it's going to crash the program. And before I do that, I just want to show you that I'm running Rough Animator version 2.07 here. And I'm also, right now I'm on my M1 Mac Mini. But this also crashes on my older Intel MacBook Pro. So let's go ahead and I'll show you here. If I click merge down, it's going to crash. And there it goes. And then it's going to pop up with a problem report. And I've already reported this, so hopefully it gets fixed soon. But, it doesn't matter if I've got drawings on, multiple frames. If there's multiple layers, every time I click on merge down, it's going to crash. So if you haven't upgraded to version 2.07, I would say not to at this point. I actually had a version of 2.05, and I know for sure it was not doing that. So if you're on a version below version 2.07, I would not recommend upgrading right now. And I'll update my channel if the next version of Rough Animator fixes this bug. In my opinion, it's a pretty big bug and makes animating on the program hard to do. I'm curious to see if you're on Rough Animator on different operating systems or versions if you're having the same issue. Go ahead and leave it in the comments below what you're experiencing, and I'll try and follow up with this issue in a future video. This has been another episode of the Expat Animator. My name is Patrick Davidson. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope to see you next time.
If you found today's video helpful, you might like some of my animation classes over at Skillshare.com. I'll put the link in the description below.